What's the difference between personal data and sensitive data under the GDPR? In the most basic terms, personal data is any piece of information that can be used to identify a living person. For example, the email address johnsmith@companyx.com is considered personal data because it indicates that there can only be one John Smith who works at Company X. Personal data also includes anything that can confirm your physical presence somewhere, such as CCTV footage of you or your fingerprints. Things are complicated by the fact that each piece of information doesn't have to be considered on its own. Organizations typically store multiple pieces of information relating to data subjects, and this information can be considered personal data if it can be pieced together to identify a living person. Sensitive personal data is a specific set of special categories that must be treated with extra security. This includes information pertaining to racial or ethnic origin, political opinions, religious or philosophical beliefs, trade union membership, genetic data, data related to a person's sex life or sexual orientation, and biometric data, where it's processed to identify someone. Sensitive personal data requires a higher level of protection. To process it lawfully, you must identify a lawful basis under Article 6 and a separate condition for processing under Article 9 of the GDPR. Learn more about your obligations under the regulation and what you need to do to comply with them at itgovernance.co.uk/GDPR.